So hi guys, ano nga ba ang roller coaster concept of life? Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi sa inyong lahat guys. Care tips nga pala. Ano nga ba roller coaster concept of life? Life is like a roller coaster, ika nga sabi nila. We ride on different experience and views about to how to live and what to do. There are many ups and downs in our life. So ang take ko dito guys, in my perspective, that we have different struggles and different wins and losses in our lives. And those losses may be our step on winning to something. So meron siyang meaning kung bakit tayo natatalo minsan sa mga buhay. Ganun. Ito ang mga ways to be at the top of your life. Celebrate always the little things on your life. Like nakapasa ka sa isang test, yun, at quizzes. Number 2 is take rest when you feel exhausted in different things. Like you feel like babothered ka, like take a deep breath and always take rest. Sleep is the key. Continue to love your crafts and what you do, you have to do. Yun ang number 3 natin guys. Number 4 natin is love yourself more than before. Like dati hindi mo nagagawa yung mga bagay na yun kasi parang kinakabahan ka na hindi ko na lang ituloy ito, ganun. Parang hindi ko siya passion, parang ganun. So always explore more, yun, and avoid thinking negative things and think a way out. If you have question of your work, if you have question on your work, huwag mong iisipin na ay hindi ko ito kaya, parang ganun. Isipin mo na kaya mo. Tandaan nyo yan. And ito ang how to handle sadness and problems. So, acknowledgement that you are just a human who experience sadness and problems. Mahalaga yun guys. We do things na hindi favorable sa sarili natin, na hindi dapat natin gawin to. Mali yun, parang ganun, na dapat acknowledge natin sa sarili natin na nakagawa tayo ng mali, and always think of a way na para bumawi sa sarili natin. And number 2 is communicate to the other person whom you trust. So maganda kasi na ilalabas mo yung inanakit mo sa buhay mo sa sarili mo. So yung communicating is the key para mailabas mo siya, and then para maramdaman rin ng tao kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa specific time na yun. And number 3 natin is think what makes you happy. Think what makes you happy. So ang ginagawa ko dyan guys, for example, for me, I do a lot of music and beats when I am down. Kapag may problema ako, ganun, yun lagi ang aking ginagawa and wala nang iba. Minsan kumakain ako, luluto, ganun ang ginagawa ko kapag ako'y malungkot. Kailangan talaga natin na magpahinga rin, yun na guys. So ang natin, dapat tuloy lang tayo, pataas na pataas, kahit minsan nadadown tayo dahil sa mga ibang tao. Tandaan nyo. So yun guys, thank you for listening guys. Hanggang sa susunod na content ulit natin. Ako nga pala si Care Tips. I hope you like, comment, and share, and subscribe for more videos guys. Bye bye. Love you all.